Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to clear TikTok cache. If you want help for freeing up storage, fix small glitches, and make your app run smoother, then you can easily clear out the cache from your TikTok app. First of all, open up TikTok app and log into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. In the pop-up at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way down and under Cache and Mobile, click on Free Up Space. Now right next to Cache, click on Clear and click on Clear once again in the pop-up to clear out your TikTok cache. This will now temporarily remove files without deleting your videos, drafts, or account info. For smoother performance, you can now force close the TikTok app and reopen it again. And there you have it. That's how you can easily clear your TikTok application's cache using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.